You're having a good time, relaxing, having a few drinks. You assess how you feel, and you make the decision that you are safe to drive. Suddenly, you're pulled over by the police, and they're asking questions like, "How much have you had to drink tonight?" The officer directs you to exit your vehicle and do some tests. The officer says they just want to make sure you're safe to drive. But you end up being handcuffed, facing tough decisions on whether to provide a breath or blood sample. And you get hit with a DUI charge. You may feel helpless, but you don't have to. DUI charges in Arizona can be scary and confusing. DUI defense is a complex area of law involving complicated legal issues and technical scientific concepts in regard to blood alcohol concentration. In the end, a DUI conviction can really affect your life, including mandatory jail time, substantial fines and fees, court-ordered counseling, community service, and MVD penalties such as suspension of your driving privileges, ignition interlock requirement, and traffic survival school. A few of the most common questions about DUI are, is a DUI a misdemeanor or felony charge? What are the mandatory penalties? And what can be done to improve my chances of a favorable outcome? Is a DUI a misdemeanor or felony charge? In answering that question, it's really important to understand the differences in DUI charges under Arizona law. There's DUI to the slightest degree, DUI .08 or more, and then there's extreme DUI for .15 and .20 or more blood alcohol concentrations. There's also DUI drugs, and those are all misdemeanor charges. Felony DUIs also exist, and that charge is called aggravated DUI. What are the mandatory penalties? Depends on what type of conviction you may be facing. Mandatory minimum penalties may range from a low end of just 1 day in jail to a high end of 6 months in jail for a second offense DUI within 7 years. For felony or aggravated DUI, the minimum is 4 months in the Arizona Department of Corrections. Fines and fees on DUI cases may range from around $1,600 to $4,000 or more dollars. Counseling, suspension of your driving privileges, ignition interlock, and other mandatory penalties also exist. What can be done to improve my chances of a favorable outcome? It's important to act fast when charged with a DUI. You may be facing a license suspension called an admin per se / implied consent suspension. You may also lose evidence that could help you if you don't take immediate action. It's very important to consult with a knowledgeable and experienced DUI attorney about the specifics of your case. If you need legal help in Arizona with a DUI case, give us a call or visit our website, flagstaff-lawyer.com.